Hi everyone, and welcome to Gather. This is the space that I've created on Gather for WildHub's networking events. And I just wanted to introduce you to how Gather works before throwing you in at the deep end with you trying to find people to talk to in the networking event. So first of all, Gather is a spatial chat, which means that you can move around the map. And you can see my little character walking around here. So I'm doing that using the arrow keys on my keyboard, but you can also do it with the ASDW keys, I think it is. And you won't be able to talk to someone unless you walk close enough to their avatar. And the distance is about 5 pixels, 5 paces away from them. Once you get close enough to them, as I'll demonstrate later, a little video pops up so that you can see their face and you can hear them talking. And if you walk away from them, then you can no longer see and hear them. So it gives you an opportunity to wander around, find someone to talk to, and then when that conversation comes to a natural close, then walk away, find someone else to talk to. So I also want to introduce you to some of the other features of Gather. So you'll see on the right hand side, there's a list of participants, which currently just has me all on my lonesome. And underneath that, there's a chat area where you can have global chat, where anything you put can be seen by everyone in the space, or a local chat, which is only visible to the people that you're talking to in that small area, the people who you can see on your screen and who you can hear on your audio. There is a map of the entire area. So if you go down to this little bar at the bottom, you can click on the map and it will show you where you are in relation to all the other rooms, so that you can see in this space there are 8 rooms all clustered around a central space, which is where I am at the moment. And each of those rooms has 3 or 4 little private rooms, and I'll again demonstrate how they work later. So if we close that map, and the other thing I wanted to draw your attention to here is that it's possible while you're on Gather to tell people whether you've maybe been called away to have a conversation with someone in your home or whatever working space you have, or if maybe you've had to go temporarily onto another call, or you're away from your desk to get a glass of water. You can tell them that you are busy. So that's the red circle with a bar across. Or you can tell them that you're focusing on something else, but that if they come close enough, then they can come and talk to you and you'll be aware of them talking. So Tirza is here to demonstrate how it works interacting with people on Gather. So I'm going to walk up to her. Hi Tirza, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good.
So enjoying.
Yeah, so you can see that as I approach Tirza, her little video appears and she can hear me. And the same is true if you walk close to anyone within a specific distance, you can hear their conversations and they can hear you. But what you can also do is maximize the video. So if I click on Tirza's video up here, then she appears full screen. Lovely to see you. And I can also see us side by side. So if we had more people within this little space, then it would appear more like this with multiple videos on the screen. So now what's going to happen is Tirza is going to walk away and find herself a private room. So I'm going to demonstrate to you another aspect of Gather so that you can have private conversations. I'll catch up with you in a minute, Tirza.
See you in a minute.
Thanks. So now I'm on my own and I'm going to click on Tirza's name and click locate. And there will be a little line on the map that shows me where to walk to find her. So I'm going to follow this. And I think she's gone into one of the rooms in the tundra. And so I'm on the threshold of the room, but I haven't gone in. So I still can't hear her or properly see her. But as I step into the room, hello again, I can see her and we can talk. So although somebody standing on the threshold would be within distance to hear us in a normal space, in a private room they actually have to enter the room. And I will stop locating Tirza now because we know where she is. And if we walk apart in the room but stay within its walls, we can still hear each other regardless of the distance. You can still hear me from your mountaintop?
Yep.
Great. And now Tirza is going to walk away and go into a different room, and that will show you how we can't hear each other between rooms.
Okay.
See you in a minute.
Okay.
So if I head north, I can see her in the penguin room. I'm standing really close to her, but because we're in different private rooms, she can't hear me, I can't hear her, we can't see each other. So those are the features that I wanted to demonstrate to you right now. There's a lot of other things that you can explore around the space, and I look forward to welcoming you there soon. Thank you.